Hey saxophones, welcome back. Today we're going to look at Finger Ninjas number 1, and we've already covered lines 1 and 2 with our C's and our D's, and now we are ready to go back and forth between those two. So in line number 3, we're going to start with our C. You'll remember this is second finger, and then we are going to rest for 4 counts after playing that whole note, and then go to a D. So octave key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are pretty much almost going completely backwards between these two notes, except for one finger. So that's a lot of fingers to lay down, and then a lot of fingers to remember to remove as we are resting. So let's begin with second finger C. Nice, beautiful whole note sound. Tap, 2, switch fingers. Left. Down. Very good. Now line number 4, we're going to be doing the same thing, going back and forth between C's and D's, except now we're only going to rest 2 counts in between. So as you are taking your 2 count breath, you're going to need to switch your fingers. Notice that there is an extra note here at the end of the line with no breath in between. So just be aware that that is coming up. So here we go, line number 4. Second finger C. Tap, 2. Switch. Switch. D again. We are going to go ahead and do line 5 on this video. So it is still pretty much the same type of exercise going back and forth between C's and D's. But now we are not going to take a breath in between. So we're going to flip our fingers quickly as we do this. Take a 4 count rest in between here for 4 beats. And then notice that we are ending the measure and starting the measure on the same note. So when we are in this rest, we're going to want to freeze our fingers and freeze our face, except for taking the breath. Don't take the mouthpiece out of your mouth and all that. Just breathe from the sides of your mouth. And then we're coming back in on the same note that we ended with. So watch that. And we do still have those 2 notes at the end like we did in line number 4. All right, here we go. We'll set our C, second finger. And tap, 2, and air. Start on G, going down. Don't forget to move your thumb. Breathe. How'd you do? All right. So go ahead and work on these 3 lines. When you feel comfortable going back and forth between C's and D's, then we'll go on to the next lines